We, students of KJ Somaya Institute of Engineering and Information Technology, Sion, Mumbai, have come up with an idea enhancing sanitation by capacity planning of toilets. This project is developed by Parth Maniar and Saj Maru, third year students of Department of Information Technology, under the guidance of Dr. Radhika Kotecha, Head of Department of Information Technology.
In this world of 7.3 billion people, 2.4 billion people lack access to adequate sanitation, of which 1 billion people have no choice but to defecate in the open. Most people without adequate sanitation live in Africa and South Asia. India accounts for 60% of people in the world without sanitation. More households in India have access to TVs and phones than toilets. With the increase in population and decrease in the availability of land, constructing toilets at the most appropriate places is a difficult task. And our goal is to make this task simpler. As we all know, our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, launched a program related to sanitation called the Swachh Bharat Scheme. The program aims at eliminating open defecation by making toilets available to all by 2019. Our aim is to achieve this goal as early as possible. How do we do this? By suggesting the government or civic bodies appropriate locations for building public or community toilets. Once we select a state, we further find cities and wards or regions in these cities that do not fulfill the need of the population, leading to open defecation. We do this by comparing the present population and the number of public or community toilets in that city, with the minimum number of toilets required for a definite population. And if this ratio does not match, we further find the regions in city where population to the present number of toilets is too less. For these regions, we then find locations where toilets can be built. We do this by looking into certain minimum parameters that are required for building a toilet. Parameters like water availability, sewage system, electricity availability, etc. Combining all these parameters and public's need, we then finally suggest an appropriate location for building a toilet, hence achieving our goal and helping the government for making a better India.
In the prototype, we start by selecting a location where we want to see if there are sufficient amount of toilets. For this location, we get the address and latitude longitude. After applying artificial intelligence and deep learning, we classify this location into two regions. The green region represents areas where there are sufficient amount of toilets, while the yellow region represents areas where more toilet needs to be built. We also give the most appropriate number and location where the toilet needs to be built. We thank KJ Somaya Institute of Engineering and Information Technology for supporting us towards the development of this project.